Hello everyone, my name is Anna. I'm 8 years old. My school's Wintergreen, and today I will talk about Lunar New Year. Hello everyone, today we are going to talk about Lunar New Year, a special festival full of fun, family and instructions. We will teach friends new words like family, red events, fireworks, and more. Are you ready to explore the exciting holiday? Let's begin. New Year. The first day of New Year is a time to celebrate. New Year is a time to have fun for family and fun. What is a New Year? New Year is evil. Do you like New Year? Why? I like New Year because somebody has given me advice. There are many inside. Then I can be my baby to have fun. I will buy many toys for my baby, and my baby will have fun. Who do you spend New Year with? My mommy is spent for my New Year gift. My mother gives me envelope for my and I'm gift for my baby. What do you do on New Year? I am have fun on New Year. When I have events, I am very happy because there are so many money in the event. Red envelope. A small red packet with money was given for good luck. Children get red envelopes as gifts. Who gives red envelopes? My mommy and my parents, my friend and my parents. There are so many people giving me. And my sister from mommy, my grandma from my mommy, and my grandpa from my granddad. Do you get red envelopes? Yes, I do. I very like getting envelopes because giving envelopes you have many money inside the envelope. You can buy many things what you like. But someone they like her mommy. They buy a house for mommy. What kinds of envelope? This is an easy word you can speak. There are many envelopes that are red, yellow, green, blue, pink, and more color. What is inside the envelope? Inside the envelope, I expect for you first. It is a money. There are many money inside. Something that are 1 money and something that are 10 money. That was good luck. Firework. Colorful explosions in the sky. Till carpet. We watch fireworks at night. When do we watch fireworks? We watch fireworks at night. Do you like fireworks? Why? I like fireworks because they are very colorful. What color is a firework? There are many of colors. There are yellow, rainbow, pink, red, green, blue. What sound do fireworks make? They make a loud. This is a video of the fireworks. Did you hear? You can hear, you can watch again. Okay? Pink blossom. A pink flower that blooms during Lunar New Year. Symbolizing love and luck. What color is a pink blossom? It is pink. That is my favorite color. I like it ever. Where do people put peach blossoms? Many people put peach blossom in our living room and our home. Why do peach blossoms special for Lunar New Year? Because that is from Vietnam. Peach blossoms are from Vietnam. There are two flowers. There are flower apricots and flower peach blossoms. The peach blossom is from Vietnam and apricot is from Michoud. What? Do you like peach blossom? Yes, I do. I very like peach blossom. This is a video of peach blossom. Do you see? You can see. This is a yellow flower. The next video, I will talk for you. This is a video of apricot flower. Okay, this is Kuwa tree, a small tree with orange fruit. We put a Kuwa tree in our living room for New Year. What color is the fruit on a Kuwa tree? It's orange. Where do people put Kuwa tree? They put Kuwa tree in the living room. Why is a Kuwa tree is special for New Year? Because Kuwa tree has an orange, but this Kuwa tree can eat. Do you have Kuwa tree at home? Yes, I have. And this is a video of Kuwa tree. This is sponge, a square rice cake made with sticky rice, pork, and green beans. It is a traditional New Year food in Vietnam. What is bánh made of? Bánh made of rice, pork, and green beans. Who made bánh is your family. My grandma and my grandma made for me. Do you like bánh? Yes, I very like. And it's all for today. Goodbye.